Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to make limit orders of DFYN using 1-inch exchange and your metamask wallet. First of all, you click the hamburger button, go to your browser, type in app.1inch.io, and you should get this screen here. Then you're going to go over to your limit button. You have market and limit options. In the top bubble, you're going to see the asset that you would pay. I'm going to use wrapped Ethereum. You're going to have to import the DFYN token to the platform. So you're going to push the plus button in the top right corner. That's where you will copy and paste the token address. I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap to make sure I have the accurate address. You're going to want to do the Ethereum one, since we're on the Ethereum network. They also have the Polygon here if you're ever using a Polygon network. Then you will copy and paste this. Once the token pops up, you click Add Token. After that's done, DFYN should now pop up in here. There we go, it's plugged in. Now you want to give permission to use your wrapped Ethereum. I'm going to fast forward the approval process. It takes a little while. Looks like you're done. Approved. Now that our wrapped Ethereum is approved, we're going to go in and put the amount we'd like to spend. I'm going to say 0.015 for demonstrational purposes. You can set when you want your limit order to expire, whether it be minutes, days, or months. I'm going to put 7 days. Right now the price is 749.3 DFYN per 1 Ether. So basically, if I think DFYN is going to go down, I'll put 800, and instead of getting 11.3 DFYN, I will get 12. Then you click Review Limit Order, Verify Order, sign it, and your limit order is submitted. Whenever you want to check on your order, you simply scroll down. You can see all of your active orders. You can see the percentage that's filled, the rate, and the expiration date on that order. You can also cancel individual orders or all if you go to the bottom. You can also view your order history. Now, if you'd like to submit a sell order, you just push these little arrows in the middle. And it swaps both tokens. Make sure DFYN's in the top bubble, wrapped Ether's in the bottom. Then you put in the amount of DFYN that you'd like to trade. Then you'll see how much Ether that comes out to. If you think DFYN's going to raise in price, you can put in a higher price, and whenever it hits that price, it will put in your order. After that, you'll approve DFYN for trading, which is another little small transaction. And your sell order should then be in progress. If you found this video helpful or informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a good day.